Oh, it's recording. There you go.
What?
Oh boy.
Oh my god, dude! Oh my god, dude! Don't crash into the fence, dude! Oh my god!
Oh, Peter's gonna be so jealous, dude.
Dude, that was a deep hole, dude! Deep hole! Deep hole! Oh my god, you got mud on my window. Deep hole over there. You think you gotta hit that?
I'm not gonna hit it.
That one over there. Yeah.
You hit it?
Well, it's not from this angle. Not from this angle. Oh, shit. Yeah, just rally at it from this way. Not to see, this is sideways. I go this way.
Alright, come this way.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Oh, I don't have the speed. Oh, I don't have the speed. Oh, this is deep. Get out and see what the paint job looks like.
Dude.
Yeehaw!
Well, it looks like clean mud.
Oh, let's fuck it up more.
Oh, my shoes are so muddy now.
Fuck it. Get it on the rubber mat.
I get as much off as I can. Oh yeah. Fucking dude, I want my seatbelt on. Hold on. Oh my god. Now you're messing with it. Hope I don't break my neck when you flip this thing. Yeah! Dude! I came a foot out of my seat right there. Hold on, dude. Hold on.
Did it go
Hold on,
this
let me get my
way?
seatbelt on. Dude, let me get my seatbelt on. Oh my god. Dude, let me get my seatbelt on.
Ah, fuck that, dude. We're out. It's this. Alright.
Holy shit.
Let's call it a day.
You want to take that and handle it?
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's the mud.
Here we go again.
Don't hit your head, fool.
Oh my god. Fucking idiot! Shit, oh my god.
This is awesome.
Oh my god, what's all that steam? Must have got water on something hot. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude.
Alright, I think we're good.
Hey, you got this one almost clean, but...
Oh god, I can't see, dude. We should go.
Check the temperature gauge. Is anything overheating?
Yes, everything.
No.
No, we're gold.
Well, battery's dying. How do you turn it off?
Alright.